Welcome this video. Backyard patio design on a budget, style outdoor living without break the bank. A beautiful functional backyard patio do not have to cost and fast turn with the right plants or bat for create a simple budget friendly material you can comfort your outdoor space into relaxed retreat or an entertainment hub. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a compact patio, smart design and the most budget can going a long way. We explored backyard patio design idea trellis for budget homeowner. We cover affordable material, space, maximize layout, and friendly enhancement to help you build the outdoor space you of your dreams without the wallet. Start with the plan before space a single dollar. Start by even your backyard and identify your goals. Ask yourself, how will this space be used? What the space and shape of the area? Earth will do I need versus what is mean total budget? Out your idea, even roll on paper can help your various the space and unlabeled explore choose budget friendly material. The big cost result in patio design in use the metal taxable what are mean affordable that look great and stood up the elements. One of the most cost effective choice patio are easy to install and during well we need landscape fiber provides weak some edge material and a few yards of scroll gave stone pro in clapping size good easy can shift underfit mean need construction is and most affordable than bring a natural stone for add various appear you can step sticking keep the layout simple a budget friendly patio do not need fix and multi-level tab level the base secured and required layout easy to complete and depend on budget consider allow the patio with the explored functional for natural look if you limited on space simple patio play thoughtful can make a big impact. Incorporating elements do some allow of the work yourself you can do cut cost. Here are few ideas that are application for most homeowner pallet functional. Old pallet can be turned into soft coffee table or plants, sticky lights, and sticky light overhand